Okay, so now we are in lesson 8 of basic CSS. Specify how fonts should degrade. It says there are several default fonts that are available in all browsers. These generic font families include monospace, serif, and sans serif. When one font isn't available, you can tell the browser to downgrade to another font. For example, if you wanted an element to use the Helvetica font but degrade to the sans serif font when Helvetica wasn't available, you will specify as follows. So in the font family, you will put what you want it to use, first of course, comma, and then put the next font that you would like it to degrade to if the first one is not available. Generic font family names are not case sensitive. Also, they do not need quotes because they are CSS keywords. To begin with, apply the monospace font to the H2 element so that it now has two fonts, Lobster and Monospace. So we're going to go to the H2 element in the font family. We're going to go right here after Lobster, and we are just going to add Monospace. Okay, so your H2 element should use the font Lobster, which it does. Your H2 element should degrade to the font Monospace when Lobster is not available. Okay, we have that there. Comment out your call to Google for the Lobster font by putting the exclamation point in the quote right here in front of the URL. And then make sure that you always close your comment. So up here where the URL is, we are going to call out to Google. We're going to add this, and then we are going to go right at the end of where we want it to close, and we're going to close it. And see, by doing that, it changes this font back to the monospace. And now we will move on to our next lesson.